Hi KG2 friends, today we are going to think deeply about water and why it's important. What you will start by doing is watching a video about why water is important. Then you will be given a blue paper. Please fold it in half. So you want to line up the corners, hold it down with one hand, and crease the edge as carefully as you can. I like to use two hands to make a really strong crease. Then on your table you will see a water drop outline that you will need to trace. You're going to share it with your friends, so remember to use nice words. I'm going to take a pencil and hold it strong with one hand, and with the other hand I will trace it. Then I can give the shape to my friend for them to use. Now I get to decorate my water drawing and think about how I can save water, and I can draw a picture here of how I save water. For example, when I brush my teeth, I try my best to turn off the water. So here's the tap, and instead of having a lot of water, I try to just use a cup with a small amount of water. That's how I save water. Now that I have my drawing, I can color it in with bright colors and take my time and make a nice drawing. When you're finished, you will give it to your teacher, and you have another exciting artwork to make. Your teacher will give you this special paper. It is watercolor paper. On the watercolor paper, you're going to think about our friends in the water who we love and care about, and you will draw an underwater picture. But it's very important that you only use crayons for this drawing. You don't want to use pencil or markers or colored pencils. And when you use the crayons, you have to push so hard. So first I'm going to draw a wavy line at the bottom. This will be the sand. And I want to show you something. You should not draw like that. That's a no-no. You should draw like this. Yes? No. If I make a no-no one, I could always fix it. I could go on top and draw it better. Then I'm going to draw pictures of the friends of the earth. So I might draw some coral. Here I might draw a fish. And remember, in art class, we talked about the fins, the gill, the scales, the eye, and the mouth. You can draw all of the parts of the fish, and remember to push really hard. You could draw other things like octopus or starfish, anything you like. Here's some bubbles for the fish to breathe. Then when your drawing is complete, you will take a watercolor brush and paint, which we don't have paws.